Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to use dynamic wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18. So if you don't want to use a static wallpaper on your iPhone, now you want to set up a dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone that changes with time, or each time the iPhone screen is locked, you just click on the side button and then the wallpaper changes. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to use dynamic wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down and click on wallpaper, then tap add new wallpaper. Once selected add new wallpaper, you want to scroll down the page, so just keep scrolling until you get to iOS 18 here. Then you see infused with light. This wallpaper can change dynamically with the time, or you can select a color. So just go ahead and then select any of the iOS 18 wallpaper you want to set, then tap the done button at the top right. Once you do that, you see what that says. Do you want to set this as a wallpaper here or customize home screen? So in this case, to use the dynamic wallpaper both on home screen and lock screen, just go ahead and set as wallpaper here. Then there you go. Then hang on, and once you see the wallpaper set up just like this, you can just open it. Then the wallpaper is going to change dynamically by itself. So you see that? Then when next your phone screen is locked as well, the wallpaper is going to change automatically with time. So that is basically how to turn on or enable dynamic wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.